Hi everybody, it's JJ Gamer here, and I am pretty sick. Yeah, and you guys might have realized I have a new chair. Before, my chair was just this little bad red plastic, light, uncomfortable. It has no back thing. And it's very fragile. It can break really easily. Yeah, so this is just a video of I'm sick of stuff. Also, I had a request of a comment on I peed my pants. By the way, my sickness is a cough, as I could cough for you right now. Hold on. That's how cough my. That's how bad my cough is. It's like a dog, like a dog's cough. But anyways, guys, bye. I'm JJ Gamer. Subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. This is just an update video that I'm sick. That was for me to do a video of me pissing. It was recommended by someone. It was down in the comments, but I'm sorry, dude. I couldn't do that. It's because I can't do that. But I really did piss my pants when in the video I pissed my pants. So, anyways, bye guys. I'm JJ Gamer. Peace.